For those of us who are new here, welcome to FX1, welcome to Eversont. Today is the 1st of October, so what are we expecting in the market, right? But before I progress, I want to say that this analysis that you're watching right now is done during the Asian section, right? So whenever you are taking any position in this analysis, right, you should be taking during the New York section, because this is indices, right? The New York section is when there's volatility in the indices market. So this is US30. We are going to break down what we are expecting the market to do here on US30 today, being the 1st of October, right? So I've already plotted the key zones, and I'm going to tell you why these key zones have been plotted. Now if you look at this area, you could see how price reacted here, right? You saw how price reacted here when it got here. You saw the reaction, right? Look at this area also, you could see the reaction. So these are key zones, these are the key area we are expecting the market to react. Let me zoom in properly so I could see more clearly why I'm marking this area, alright? So we are expecting the market to react when price gets there. Now you see how when price got here also at this top level, the resistance level, you see how price reacted there, right? So now today, what are we now expecting after marking these key zones, right? What are we expecting from the market today after plotting and marking our key areas of interest in the market? So officially, we know that US30 is on an uptrend. We know that US30 is on an uptrend. So this is a bit of correction. You know, after every impulsive move, there's always a correction, right? After impulsive move, there's always a correction. After every impulsive move, there's always a bit of correction in the market, then an impulsive move again, right? A correction, and then we want to join the impulsive move. We are waiting for the next impulsive move, right? We are waiting for the next impulsive move in the market. We are waiting for the next impulsive move in the market, right? So now there are two things we are waiting for. We are expecting the market to do here on US30, right? So if you step down to the 60 minutes time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. Now, first of all, today we are expecting we are first going to be looking out to sell US30. We are going to be looking out to sell US30 at what psychological zone of 42,500. We are going to be looking at selling US30 at psychological zone 42,500, right? And this key area of interest. Then if price happens not to get here, then we'll be looking at buying US30, right? We'll be looking at buying US30 at this level. We're looking at buying US30 from this level, which is the level of 41,900. We're looking at buying US30 at 41,900. So when we are taking the sell position, we'll be risking about, let's say, give or take, let's say 70 pips at most. We're risking about 70 pips, 70 to 80 pips, depending on the volatility in the market during the New York section. We're risking at least 70 to 80 pips, alright? Then, if we are looking out to buy, we'll be risking about 70 pips or so. So this is what we are expecting to do in the market when price gets here. When price gets there, you go to your 15 minutes time frame. You go to your 15 minutes time frame, refine, and look for extra confluences. Then you execute your sell position. So for today, we are seeing an opportunity on Nas100. Now there are two clear opportunities, right? We are looking to go long on psychological zone of 20,000, right? Risking 70 pips, targeting 1:2.5. Then if price does not happen to correct to the psychological zone of 20,000, I mean, if price does not correct to the psychological zone of 20,000, wait for price to get to the psychological zone of 20,200 and go bearish. As simple as that. So when price gets to these areas during the New York section, I want you guys to pay key detailed attention to these key zones and then execute entries with extra confirmations like candlestick patterns, extra confirmation like chart patterns, extra confirmation like candlestick reactions, so on and so forth. Execute entry in these key zones, these key areas slash psychological zone based on other confluences, you understand, to be able to maximize this opportunity here on Nas100. So that's what we're expecting today on what Nas100 being the 1st of October.